Hey, how's it going? Nick from Throlson Web Design. Today we're gonna install WooCommerce onto my website called Throlson Web Design, throlson.com. What WooCommerce is a e-commerce plugin for WordPress that allows you to sell stuff on your website. I'm gonna be selling some ebooks and some other services, so I want to install the WooCommerce plugin, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So you're going to go to your dashboard, then you're going to log in and then go to plugins. Under popular, there is WooCommerce right here. So just click install now, and you might not get that pop-up. It's because I'm on WP Engine. I highly recommend WP Engine as a hosting. They're a really good host for WordPress websites. That's all they specialize in, so I highly recommend you check them out. Now click activate. This is just the WP Engine recommending that I back up my site before I do this. I highly recommend you back up your website just in case if it breaks something. Give it a second to activate. Come on. I think I have to update some plugins, so let's double check and make sure. And make sure you have the latest WordPress updated. That way the plugin doesn't have any issues. Apologize for this. Just make sure everything's up to date. Alright, let's go to plugins. Out of that, click activate again. Alright, so you're gonna get this pop-up right here. Run the updater. It says we need to update your database to the latest version. I think back in the day I had WooCommerce installed, and then I deleted off of it just because I had a different hosting company, and I deleted the app or the plugin. So if it says this, it means you had a previous installation. So let's run the updater. Alright, so it'll tell you if you're using a theme. It has some outdated template files. They make it really easy to update this. I will do this in a little bit. They're just saying about HTTPS connection, a secure connection, because you're going to be selling stuff, so make sure that you have an encrypted connection. Right now I'm going to just dismiss, and I'll do that later. You can fill this out with all your information. You can enable taxes, calculate coupons. You can customize if you're in another country, customize the dollar amount. I'm in the United States, so that's fine. Products. So this is one thing that you're gonna have to. They have a way to generate all the pages that you need, or if you already created a page, you can create a shop page. So I will make a shop page real quick. You don't have to call it shop, but you can call it anything you want, store, and then just publish. And you go back here, refresh the page, and the drop down, click shop. You can enable redirect the cart page after successful addition. So if they add something, if you have a widget, you can, if you're in another country, you can click pounds, ounces, inches. This is one big thing, is verified owners. So it's kind of like how Amazon has it, verified purchases. Enable star rating. You can take this off if you want. It's just really up to you. For tax purposes, if they're getting a service, you don't have to necessarily charge them taxes, since it's a service, online service such as like designing a website or anything like that. If they're getting a physical product, make sure you talk to your accountant and put in your tax rate and make sure that you're charging taxes and that you pay your taxes. That way your business does not get audited. You can put your state code, postal, city, zip, rate, tax name, and shipping info. So payments, direct bank transfer, check payments. Don't really recommend checks, or you can do it, but cash on delivery really depends what type of business you have. There's a lot more that you can add, but these are the default ones that they have. PayPal is enabled. You can enable PayPal Sandbox, so then you can send yourself a payment, test it out. It automatically put in my email address, and you can customize it to your liking. And then these accounts and privacy, with the GDP and all that, you want to make sure that you link to your privacy page, which we will set up so that people know that you have their data, and you will be emailing them, and how long you're going to keep their data, if you're going to sell their data. Just let them know. Allow them to create my account on the account page. You can generate the password for them, so then less likely of getting hacked if they use the same password. So they have where you can erase the personal details. So they do help out with that. Emails, you can kind of customize the emails that get sent for the new orders. Refunded order, completed order. And advanced is the cart page, checkout page, and you can create these pretty easily. I would force a secure checkout to make sure. And just let me know I have the latest. So there's no orders right now. Let's go ahead and add a product. So let's go ebook. I'm gonna minimize the Yoast SEO. So let's go $10. Sell price $9.99. Let's just make this $15. Virtual and downloadable. So you can add the file. And I'm just gonna pick something that's in here. I'll just do that. So then that's what they'll get. You can make the download limit to 1. You can make it expire, taxable. Since it's an ebook, you don't have to tax it. You can put ebook as a tag, so then when they're looking at it, right over here on the side, you can do product image. And then the gallery is kind of like on Amazon, how you have multiple images. So right there's the description. Oh, actually, down here is the description. My bad. There's a lot of things you can customize. Inventory. If you're selling an actual product, you can link products, similar products. Enable and disable the reviews. Change the header, footer, sidebars, background. Totally make this a really cool thing. You can put it in the categories, different categories, how they recommend you use categories to change it up. So I'm gonna add ebooks. Add the category. And I'm gonna publish this so you guys can see. And then I'm gonna add the cart page. Since I already had this installed, it will auto generate these pages for you. It'll automatically make them for you. So and then I'll go back here to the WooCommerce page, go to settings, and link up that page. Because the shop page is already done. So, shopping cart, and then I need an account. I need the checkout page. Alright, and then link those pages. Terms and conditions I can add later. Alright, it's been saved. So let's refresh. And I need to add them. So So I need to add them to my sidebar or on my menu. So I'm just going to go directly to the page. And these are some of the other products that I had. Here's my ebook that I just added. Add the cart. And let's see what's going on. Check out. Let's see what's going on here. Check out. Okay, so I need to put that code in there. Check out. Let's double check that was underscore. Did that. See. All right. So then ask for the billing info. We have a coupon. And there's probably some more settings and stuff that I have to enter. With the product. But this is just getting everything in here. It's a lot of work to get set up. Downloads require login, so then they have to create an account. I will create a second video for you to watch as soon as I get everything set up. They have some free plugins like for Square, extensions that you can add, subscriptions, bookings, memberships, a lot you can do for WooCommerce. So I'll create a second video that you can look at shortly. Thank you for checking this out. This is just the first video installing WooCommerce. I will make another video. Thank you for watching. This is Nick with Thorson Web Design. Peace.